Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tabletop calendar. It's really easy to make, so let's see how to make it. Take an A4 paper, measure 3 centimeter both the sides and fold both the sides of a paper. Fold it half. Apply some glue on the side and stick it. Take 3 square paper measuring 12 sides both respectively. Measure 3 centimeter on one side of the square paper. Fold it. Turn the paper backward and measure 3 centimeter on both sides of the paper. Fold both the sides. Apply some glue and stick it. Now we have a pocket to keep some papers inside. Make 2 more pockets like this. Stick the pockets to the calendar base. Cut out some rectangle pieces measuring 4 and 6 cm respectively. Divide the pieces and keep in each pocket where each pocket resembles date, month and day. In the first pocket there must be 31 pieces since that pocket is for date, and second one for month and third one is for day. Write down the date, month and day in each paper. The tabletop calendar is ready for use. It looks so cute and it is easy to make as well. You can change the paper each day. Keeping this on your table will make you never forget the date, day and month. Hope this video helped you. Have a happy new year. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and make sure to press the bell button. Please do like, share and comment too. See you in the next video. Bye.